Naiyak si Kapuso It Girl Gabby Garcia nang mag-renew siya ng kontrata sa GMA Network. Binalikan niya ang naging karanasan nang nagsisimula pa lamang sa showbiz. Saksi, si Nelson Canlas.
I will be doing A Week in My Life.
From a content creator,
Bye!
an endorser, actress, and the seasoned TV host, Gabby Garcia does it all.
Please sign the contract.
At sa mahigit isang dekada niya mula nang pumasok sa showbiz, nananatiling kapuso si Gabby na naging emosyonal pa sa pag-renew niya ng kontrata sa GMA.
When I was younger, I often get rejected in auditions and PTRs. But GMA was one of the few ones who embraced me, who welcomed me, who accepted me, and who saw something in me. Tumaya sila sa akin without even knowing what I have to offer.
Thankful si Gabby sa tiwala at opportunities na ibinigay ng GMA sa fruitful journey ng Millennial It Girl.
So thank you for giving me wings to fly and to do what I want to do. Thank you for giving me the dream of a lifetime. I'll forever cherish it. GMA is my home. GMA is my second family.
Mas naging emosyonal si Gabby nang pasalamatan niya ang kanyang mga magulang.
I would like to take this opportunity to honor my parents. Thank you. Thank you for being there. Yes, palakpakan natin sila. I wouldn't be the woman I am today if it weren't for them.
Nagpasalamat din si Gabby sa kanyang partner, ang kapuso actor na si Khalil Ramos, na tila naging personal photographer ni Gabby sa event. Naging mas special ang contract renewal ni Gabby sa pagbati ng mga kapwa-kapuso artists, mga kaibigan, at ni GMA Chairman of the Board, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon.
Ikinagagalak natin ang patuloy na pagtitiwala at loyalty ni Gabby sa GMA Network bilang isang homegrown kapuso artist. Mula sa kanyang memorable roles sa iba't ibang teleserye hanggang sa pagiging isa sa pinaka-in-demand na host ngayon, patuloy nating nakikita ang growth niya sa industriya.
Nanguna sa contract signing sina GMA President and CEO Gilberto Arduavic Jr., EVP and CFO Felipe Asialong, GMA SVP Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, at First Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Joy Marcelo.
Nakakatuwa what she's achieved now, and we're very optimistic that there's a lot more in store for her in the future.
One of our beloved homegrown talents, and I'm very happy that she's continuing to trust GMA with her career. She's actually more than just an artist to us. She's a family.
Thankful si Gabby sa 11 years na pag-aaruga ng GMA, di lamang sa kanyang career, kundi pati na rin sa kanyang pagkatao.
GMA was there to support me. GMA guided me. They led me to find out who I really am in this industry. And yun, I'm just so blessed na they're not just there as my management, as my network, but also as my guidance.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Nelson Canlas ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.